Look kids. Yellow color. Yellow color. Orange color. Orange color. Brown color. Brown color. Blue color. Blue color. Black color. Black color. Green color. Green color. तो चलिए बच्चों हम लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं. येलो कलर. A for apple. Yellow color. A for apple. A for apple. Apple means सेब. A के बाद आएगा B. क्या आएगा kids? B. Orange color. B. B for basket. And B for balloon. B for basket. And B for balloon. B के बाद आएगा C. क्या आएगा kids? C. Brown color. C. Brown color. C. C for car. And C for cat. C for cat. Blue color. D. D for dog. And D for dog. D for dog. And D for dog. Blue color. D. D for dog. Dog means buttock. D for dog. D के बाद आएगा E. Green color. E. E for eagle. And E for elephant. Green color. E. E for eagle. And E for elephant. Green color. E. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. E के बाद आएगा F. Black color. F. F for fish. Fish means मछली. Black color. F. F for fish. Fish means मछली. F for fish. Red color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Yellow color. B. B for basket. C. C for cat. Pink color. D. D for dog. Green color. E. E for eagle. Orange color. F. F for fish.